Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lloyds Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lloydsbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Lloyds Bank. Now from the Lloyds Bank homepage, click on the menu icon and then hover over to Mortgages. Now from the existing customer, click on Manage Your Account. And now click on the log on button at the top right corner. Now select within personal and business and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the continue button and you will be logged into your account on Lloyds Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on forgotten your login details and you will be allowed to reset your ID and your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Lloyds Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.